Albuquerque is located along Old Route 66. We trace the route downtown to visit entrepreneur and architect Mark Baker, whose vision is to help bring people to the downtown area to keep this history and architecture sustained.
We're right here on Central Avenue, which is historic Route 66. So right here was where people made their way all the way from Chicago out to Santa Monica, California. But this was a great place to stop. And so lots of people said, hey, let's stop, set up in Albuquerque. And so this vibrant, dense downtown core developed here.
You purchased this building.
It's still a shock to me today that I took the leap of faith and did this, but this is a 55,000 square foot building from 1937. It used to be the Sears department store for downtown Albuquerque, but it sat empty for many years. But as a lover of architecture and as an architect myself, I thought, can I bring this back to life? So I took a leap of faith and purchased the building and put Humble Coffee in here and this food hall, which has 9 vendors, all local mom and pop businesses. We call this the living room of downtown Albuquerque.
Cheers to that.
Cheers to that.
Thanks for the work you're doing.
Cheers to downtown Albuquerque.